Where are you at? We've got a helicopter circling. There were two of them, and I think the other one is left. I was wondering if any of you might know what's going on, because I see nothing on pulse point for up around here. This is Friday, oh, what's today? 24th, I think. I'll put it on the video so I'm done to get the exact date. There was another helicopter. Try to zoom out a little bit to see if I can spot the other one. The other one may have left. But there's this one. Yeah, I'm up on top of the hill in Mckeesport. I just wonder if any of you know what might be going on, everyone, because I don't see anything, and I have pulse point on my phone, I see nothing on it. Where are you at? I lost you. No, I didn't. You're over that way. Is that it? That's it. Alright, I'm going to put this over on Facebook, see if any of you know what's going on. Y'all take care, everyone. Be safe out there.